Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add your Facebook pixel to Wix website. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your Wix account. Okay, now after that, in the next page here, you want to just choose websites where you want to connect your Facebook pixel. Now you just need to choose one of the websites you have. If you only have one website, you want to click here, it says select and edit site. Now if you cannot see the website, probably you have like multiple sites, you want to click here, it says all sites here, and then you want to find the site where you want to connect Facebook pixel. Okay, now I want to connect Facebook pixel, for example, to this site. Just click on select and edit site here. Now after that, guys, it will take you guys directly to Wix dashboard. Okay, now after you are on this page, what you guys need to do first is to upgrade. Okay, now keep in mind that you will not be able to add Facebook pixel if you don't pick a premium plan. Okay, so in case you didn't pick a premium plan, just click here, it says upgrade in the top, and then you want to select one of these plans. The first one is $7 per month, $5 per month, $11, $23. Now you can select the cheap one, which is like $5 per month. Just select a plan, and then you will be able to add your Facebook pixel. Now after you pick a plan, okay, if you haven't done that already, just ignore this part. Okay, now after you are here on the dashboard of your Wix accounts or Wix website, scroll down, okay, and you want to click here, it says settings, as you can see. After, guys, you click on settings, then you will find here a lot of options here. You just need to keep scrolling. Okay, scroll down. At the very bottom you will see here marketing integrations. Click on it. Okay, in the next page here, as you can see, guys, you will find here a lot of things. You can a lot of like you can connect, for example, TikTok pixel, like Google Analytics, Meta pixel, Facebook pixel, Facebook catalog, a lot of websites you can connect to your Wix. Now to connect Facebook pixel, you just need to select here, it says Meta pixel, as you can see. Track conversions and measure the success of Facebook campaigns. That's exactly the purpose of like connecting Facebook pixel to your Wix. Okay, just click on connect, and here, as you can see, it says here upgrade your site with premium plan to connect Meta pixel. Now that's, like I said at the beginning, you will have to upgrade with like premium plan in order to add your Facebook pixel. Now after you do that, you just need to click here, it says connect to Facebook. It's garage for me because this exact site, I didn't pick a plan. Okay, I'm still using the free version. So just click here, it says connect to Facebook, and it will take you guys directly to your Facebook. To confirm, just click on next, and then confirm, next, and then after a few minutes you will find, after a few seconds, you will find here in the top, Facebook pixel has been successfully connected to Wix. That's exactly how you can do this. Very easy. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next video.